Why consider a home-based business? Part 1. Starting a home-based business offers numerous advantages that appeal to aspiring entrepreneurs. One of the primary benefits is financial independence. By running your own business, you control your income potential and can build a sustainable revenue stream without relying on traditional employment. Additionally, a home-based business provides the opportunity to pursue your passions. Whether you have a knack for crafting, a talent for consulting, or a love for teaching, turning your passion into a business can be incredibly fulfilling and motivating. Moreover, home-based businesses often require a low initial investment compared to traditional brick-and-mortar ventures. You can save on overhead costs such as rent, utilities, and commuting expenses, allowing you to allocate resources more efficiently. This affordability makes it accessible for individuals with limited capital to start their entrepreneurial journey. Furthermore, operating from home offers a better work-life balance. You can create a flexible schedule that suits your lifestyle, spend more time with family, and reduce stress associated with long commutes. This balance can lead to increased productivity and overall satisfaction, making a home-based business an attractive option for many. E-commerce ventures. E-commerce ventures have become increasingly popular as technology advances and consumer preferences shift toward online shopping. The low barrier to entry and the potential to reach a global audience make e-commerce an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or services, e-commerce offers flexibility, scalability, and the opportunity to tap into a growing market from the comfort of your home. 1. Amazon store. Starting an Amazon store is a highly feasible home-based business idea, allowing you to take advantage of the massive customer base and robust infrastructure that Amazon provides. As an Amazon seller, you can list a wide range of products, from niche items to everyday essentials. The platform's fulfillment services, such as FBA Fulfillment by Amazon, handle storage, packaging, and shipping, freeing you from logistical hassles. 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an ideal e-commerce model for those looking to minimize upfront investment and inventory risks. In this business model, you partner with suppliers who handle the storage, packaging, and shipping of products directly to your customers. With the right niche and effective marketing strategies, dropshipping can be a highly profitable and scalable business, allowing you to focus on customer acquisition and sales growth without worrying about inventory management. Freelance and service-based businesses. 3. Freelance writing and content marketing. Freelance writing and content marketing are excellent home-based business options for individuals with a knack for storytelling and strong writing skills. The demand for high-quality content is ever increasing, with businesses seeking to engage audiences through blogs, articles, social media posts, and marketing materials. This field offers diverse opportunities from copywriting and technical writing to SEO content creation. You can connect with clients worldwide, providing valuable content that drives their business growth. 4. Virtual assistant services. As a virtual assistant, you offer administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs, helping them manage tasks such as email correspondence, scheduling, bookkeeping, and customer service. This home-based business requires strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and proficiency with digital tools. 5. Social media management. Social media management is a thriving field, with businesses of all sizes seeking to enhance their online presence and engage with their audience. As a social media manager, you create, schedule, and analyze social media content across various platforms, helping clients build brand awareness and drive customer engagement. This home-based business is one of the best small business ideas for individuals who are creative, strategic, and up-to-date with the latest social media trends. 6. Web design. Web design is a highly sought-after service, as every business needs a professional and functional website. If you have a talent for design and coding, starting a home-based web design business can be highly lucrative. You can offer services ranging from website creation and maintenance to user experience, UX, and user interface, UI design. By building a portfolio and establishing a strong online presence, you can attract clients from various industries, providing them with custom web solutions that enhance their digital presence. 7. Graphic design. Graphic design is another versatile and creative home-based business idea. With skills in design software like Adobe Creative Suite, you can create visual content for clients, including logos, brochures, social media graphics, and marketing materials. The demand for high-quality visual content is constant, allowing you to work with a diverse clientele and on various projects. By developing a strong portfolio and marketing your services online, you can build a successful graphic design business from home. A content creator influencer. Becoming a content creator or influencer involves creating engaging content for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and blogs. This home-based business allows you to monetize your passions, whether it's fashion, travel, technology, or lifestyle. By consistently producing high-quality content and building a loyal audience, you can earn income through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and ad revenue. The key to success in this field is authenticity, creativity, and the ability to connect with your audience on a personal level. 9. Podcaster. Podcasting is a growing medium that offers an excellent opportunity for individuals with a passion for storytelling, interviews, or niche topics. Starting a podcast from home requires minimal equipment, such as a good microphone and editing software. You can cover a wide range of subjects, from business and personal development to entertainment and hobbies. By creating compelling content and building a dedicated listener base, you can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, listener donations, and merchandise sales, making it a viable and fulfilling home-based business. 10. Event planning business. Event planning businesses are perfect for individuals who excel in organization, creativity, and communication. As an event planner, you can specialize in various types of events, including weddings, corporate functions, parties, and conferences. This home-based business allows you to leverage your skills in coordinating logistics, managing vendors, and ensuring that every detail of the event runs smoothly. By offering personalized and meticulous service, you can build a strong reputation and a loyal client base. With the flexibility to work from home and the opportunity to bring memorable experiences to life, an event planning business can be both fulfilling and profitable.